And races on Banknet from the outside. Jet Prop Snake, Miss Spaghetti. Down on the inside is Mesmerized. It's now Mesmerized from the outside. Jet Prop in the middle is Summer Rain Snake, Miss Spaghetti running in fourth, rushing up Banknet. And on the outside, Primavera, Sheila Princess, Strong Friend. Coral Beauty is racing from the outside. Dancing Slew is running down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Mesmerized, Jet Prop. And Summer Rain in between runners. Summer Rain, Jet Prop, Mesmerized down on the inside. And moving up down on the inside is entry number 3, Dancing Slew, Banknet. As they race the final corner. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Mesmerized, Summer Rain in between runners. And on the outside, Jet Prop running down on the inside is Dancing Slew. On the further outside, Strong Friend. Primavera is on the further outside. Mesmerized, Primavera is on the outside. Moves up. And finally, Primavera, Mesmerized, Dancing Slew is Strong Friend, number 10, Federal Court. And for your Super Sais, number 7, Summer Rain.